welcome and welcome back to my channel. I haven't cooked in a minute. Like, I need to really start being serious about cooking, like weekly and at least bi-weekly. Your girl be tired. But today we're back at it again with another cooking video. We are going to be making honey jerk salmon and shrimp rasta pasta. So I got the recipe idea from Terry Ann's Kitchen. She just did honey jerk salmon, but I decided to put a little shrimp in there because I love some shrimp. I already seasoned my meat. I'm gonna show y'all the shrimp because the salmon look ugly. It looks ugly. Like the salmon was just weak in the knees. Like it was just breaking. Whatever. So I'm gonna show y'all the salmon. I put jerk seasoning, honey, Slap Your Mama seasoning, salt, pepper, body complete seasoning, and a little bit of browning to give it a little brown color. So I did that, and I got my penne pasta. So that's what we're going to be doing to make the rasta pasta, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and start boiling this pasta. Child, I don't know how much water to put. We work from the heart. I know. All right. I hope this thing comes out well because I don't know. Sometimes cooking, I don't know if you feel this way too, but like cooking for me sometimes is a hit or miss. And since I'm like a first time like novice, it's like it's not always gonna be giving like delicioso. So I'm a little scared. But I've done rasta pasta before, so let me not cap like I haven't done it before. I've done rasta pasta before, but I did it with coconut milk. It was okay. My cousin said she liked it, but I felt like it was too coconutty for my liking. One thing I can say is though, the seasoning, it smells yum, delicioso. Like the seasoning, I'm not gonna lie, I seasoned that joint. It smells good. We shall see how it tastes. Like, okay. Red is the color of an apple. Orange is the color of an orange. Yellow, it's a lemon and a wonderful sun. Green is the color of trees and lots of things that grow. Let me know if y'all know that song. If y'all know that song, then y'all getting old like me. I'm chopping all these peppers like I like peppers, but that's just what the recipe said. But I'm pretty sure once it's sauteed, it'll be fine. But still, I'm not even a big pepper girl. If I'm being honest. You gotta be the one that people looking up to. I try to reach the sun. I try. Y'all know that song. I'm chopping peppers and I gotta sing Peppers and Onions by Tierra Whack. Like, it's a given. So I think the pasta's done, but I feel like I'm being perfectionist Patty, and I'm like, is it perfect enough? I don't know. You just won't get what you get. You're not gonna get upset. So the pasta looks done, but I'm just like tripping. I think I'm gonna just take it off the stove. Yeah, it's time because I still got to put the peppers. Well, first I'm gonna do the shrimp and salmon. I'm not showing you the salmon. I'm gonna do the shrimp, and then after I do the shrimp and salmon, I'm gonna saute the peppers, and then I'm gonna do the cream sauce for the rasta pasta. So yeah. So I just drained the pasta, and now we're finally about to start cooking the meat. My favorite part. Okay. That shrimp is smelling really good. I'm excited. I hope once everything kind of comes together, it tastes together. Normally I'm very like chipper. Today I don't know what's going on. I'm just feeling overwhelmed. So to all my people feeling overwhelmed, I see you. I'm here for you. I'm praying for you. Cause it ain't no joke. Adulting is no joke out here. So yeah, just wanted to say that. Quick disclaimer. This shrimp is sizzling a little too simmer down, literally, please. One thing I can't stand is when the stuff start popping, because then I'm gonna start ducking and dodging. Like, I don't got time. I don't have time. It's very pretty. Jerk. You a jerk. I know. You a jerk. You see that jerk seasoning on there? Really good. Like, notch. I'm so excited to make the sauce. I'm just excited because it's smelling really good now. Basically, I'm gonna just chop the salmon up anyway, so even if it breaks, I'm gonna just start breaking it because, like, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot. Pow. I'm gonna put some honey on that. That's a lot. I season that joint way too much. It's a little kick. It's like a kick. Yeah. Let me taste this shrimp now because I'm kind of scared. The shrimp is pretty good. One thing I can't say about my hand, I'm a heavy-handed seasoner. I need to pull back a little. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. It's better with the honey. Yeah. The salmon is very ugly, but you know what? Once everything mixes together with the pasta, the salmon's really not the main course. It's the RASTA pasta as a whole, so yeah. I'm about to do the cream sauce, but like this is taking 10 years and a day to saute. Like, come on now. Please.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, so the cream sauce is done. It looks really, really good. So now I'm gonna pair everything together and show y'all the finished product. Okay, so this is the finished product. I'm not a sucker for the way it looks. I thought it would look a little bit more darker, but either way, it tastes good, so that's all that counts. And yeah, y'all, this RASTA pasta is hitting. I was about to turn into a ravenous wolf. I took one bite. I said, "Oh shoot!" Like, this show is so good. Like, oh my gosh, I'm disrespectful because, like, why did I even cook it like this? This might be the best. Child, this might be the best meal I've made. Oh, this is good, child. Whew, anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.